Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x in 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x equals 55. So let's say solution. We have 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x equals 55, right? So, but let's recall that if you have m raised to power p times m raised to power q, this is equal, from the law of indices, it is equals to P plus Q. So from the law, it says that when number with equal base are being multiplied, their power are added. So, and having this, so we have 5 raised to power x plus x equals 55. So we have 5 raised to power x plus x will give us 2x equals 55. So from here, we introduce log in base 5 to both sides. Introduce log in base 5 to both sides. And if you do, we have log 5 raised to power 2x in base 5 equals log 55 in base 5. So from here, we should recall that from the law of logarithm, if you have log m raised to power p, this is equals to p log m. So applying this to this, we will have this 2x coming forward here, 2x log 5 in base 5 equals, here we can express 55 as product of 5 and 11. So we have log in base 5, that is 5 times 11, right? So now we have to also note that if you have logarithm to its own base, like log m in log m, this is equals to 1, provided m does not equal to 0. And also, if you have log mn, so this will becomes and equals to log m plus log n, right? So applying this to the above, we will have 2x. So log 5 in base 5 will give us 1 equals this. We have to change this multiplication 2 times. So by saying log in base 5, log 5 in base 5 plus log 11 in base 5. So from here, we will have 2x times 1, we have 2x equals log 5 in base 5 equals log 11 in base 5. So here now we have to divide both side by 2. And if you divide both side by 2, we have this. So we will have this, we cancel this. So we have x equals, this is another logarithm to its own base, and it becomes 1. Sorry, so this is plus. So we have plus log 11 in base 5. So divided by 2. From here, we will have x to be equals 1 divided by 2 plus log 11 in base 5 also divided by 2. And we have to do something here. So by applying the change of base to base 10, this base, but note that to do that, if you have log a in base b, and we want to change this to another base, perhaps base 10, so this becomes log a in base 10 divided by log 5, no, so log b in base 10. So applying this to this, so So we have this becomes x equals 1 divided by 2 plus log 11 in base 10 divided by log 5 in base 10 divided by 2. We have it like this. So and from here, we will have x to be equals 1 divided by 2 plus we have log 11 in base 10 divided by log 5 in base 10. So we have divided by 2 here. So and we have to change this division to times, right? So and if you do, we have x to be equals 1 divided by 2 plus log 11 in base 10 divided by log 5 in base 10 times. If you change this to times, the one below will come up and the one up will come down. So we have 1 divided by 2. So we will have x to become 1 divided by 2 plus log 11 in base 10 divided by 2 log 5 in base 10. So we have x to be 1 divided by 2 plus, so you can factorize 1 divided by 2 out of here. So we have log 11 in base 10 divided by log 5 in base 10. So this we have x equals, we have 1 over 2 here and 1 over 2 here. In fact, we can factorize that out. So we have 1 divided by 2. So what will be left here? 1 plus what will be left here? Log 11 in base 10 divided by log 5 in base 10, right? So and you can leave your answer like this and say maybe therefore x is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 plus log 11 in base 10 divided by log 5 in base 10. So you can leave your answer like this, and if you like, you can move further to get the numerical value using calculator. Just press it into calculator, like log 10. So what it give you divided by log 5. If you divide it, add it to 1. So and then after that, you can multiply it by 1 over 2. Thank you for watching. My great fan, you can now send super to support this channel. It helps me to keep creating more content you love. I see every super thanks and I will make sure to give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.